Hello guys, so today I'm going to be taking you guys on how to use the Quotex broker platform. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change this background from the light mode to dark mode to twilight mode. So you just go over here to this setting symbol. Here is the light mode, here is the twilight mode, and here is the full night mode. I sometimes like using the light mode, and I use the full night mode as well, as you wish. Next, I'll be showing you guys on how to search for your currency pairs. Just go over to this plus button over here. Here are your currency pairs. We are the CHF JPY, the CHF JPY. You can change it to whatever currency pair of your choice. We have the Euro USD, Euro GBP, and so on and so forth. Then we have cryptocurrencies, which there are no cryptocurrencies at the moment. We have commodities and stocks and so on. So yeah, then next I would be showing you guys on how to plot your support and resistance line using the pencil drawing. So just go over here to this pencil drawing over here. Here you have your drawings: curve, extended line, Gantt box, horizontal line. You scroll down, you have your vertical lines and so on. So we're using the horizontal line here, which is what we use in plotting our support and resistance. You could change the horizontal line color. You could make it thicker, you could clone it. So in order to make it thicker and all that, you just click on the horizontal line. Just click on this pencil over here and change it to a color of your choice. But personally, I like using the blue colored horizontal line. That's my favorite color. Then next, I'll be showing you guys on how to make your horizontal line thicker. You just click on this line over here and click on the plus button and make it thicker. So yeah. And okay, let's drag it to plot our resistance and support. Let's drag it to plot. Let's drag this horizontal line to plot our resistance and use it to plot our support line as well. Let me quickly take this over here. So yeah, so we just drag it upwards using our mouse. Yes, we just plotted our resistance line. Let's clone it to plot our support line as well. So we just click on this box over here and clone it. Here it is cloned right now. So I just drag it downwards over here like so. We just plotted our support line over here. So yeah, next I'll be showing you guys on how to use your plot your indicators on your chart. Oh sorry, next I'm going to show you guys on how to change the time frame of your candlestick. So now we have the 5 seconds time frame, we have 10 seconds, we have 15 seconds, we have a minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily candlestick time frame, and so on and so forth. If you notice, the more we change the candlestick time frame, the candlestick becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So yeah. So personally I like using the 15 seconds time frame and go in for a minute or 2 minute buy or sell trade setup. As you can see, when if you notice, when you change the time frame, the candlestick becomes bigger. So in order to reduce or increase the candlestick, so you just go over here to this plus or minus button like so. Then you can reduce the candlestick to make it a bit tiny of your choice. You can reduce or increase it to the size of your choice, or you could increase it to make it bigger like so. So yeah, this is how you increase your candlestick size or reduce it. So now I'll be showing you guys next on how to use your indicator. You just go over here to this icon over here, you click on it. Here we have our Bollinger Bands, we have our different indicators, moving averages. You scroll down, we have our stochastic oscillator and so on and so forth. So my favorite indicator to use is stochastic oscillator, so I'm going to plot it on my chart over here like so. So yeah, this is my stochastic oscillator indicator over here. So you use your stochastic oscillator support and resistance to for your trade setup, like so. So let's just take a random trade. Let's take a random trade using these indicators and drawings. So when you want to take a random trade using the 15-second candlestick chart, using the 15 seconds candlestick, I go in for a minute or 2 minute buy or sell. So let's go in for a buy, which is the up button. It's just a random trade, so yeah. Then let's go in for a sell, which is the down button. So yeah, so this is how to buy and sell the market on your Quotex broker platform. So yeah, in order to monitor your trading activities to see how much time left for that particular trade, you just go to your right, you just go to your right side of the broker platform. You scroll, as you can see over here. For the first trade we took, we have about 31 seconds left. So that is what you use in monitoring your trade setup and so on and so forth. And this is where you see how many trades you've won and how many trades you've lost and so on and so forth. So that is it about the Quotex broker platform. That's all you need to know for now. So I'll be uploading more videos subsequently.